How to add Zoom meeting to Slack. So the first step is to simply download Slack on your Zoom account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply log into your account and then go to Zoom app marketplace, and then here you're gonna have to simply search for Slack and then simply click on the install button in order to install Slack on your Zoom account. And then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Zoom and then simply type in. As you can see here, you have different commands, so if you want you can simply pause the video and copy these commands. As you can see, type /zoom help to list the Zoom commands available. And basically, as you can see, if you want you can simply type /zoom to start a meeting, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.